Hi, welcome everybody to Module 1, Artificial Intelligence in the Classroom. My name is Arriaga and I work for the UVEG in Mexico. Well, today's objective is to work on artificial intelligence along with the English development, or let's say the English skill, which is speaking. And this video is intended to explain how to use artificial intelligence along with the skill of speaking skill. And so the main objective is to participate in a video that is going to be called Voices from the Past, a past simple storytelling project. And well, the first and possibly the most important is that they are going to choose a person from the past, someone who has passed away. For instance, Michael Jackson, Jenny Rivera, Frida Kahlo, so on and so forth. It can be either a famous person or someone close to them, such as a family person, a relative, so on and so forth. And well, the main objective is that they happen to practice the past simple grammar, that is to say the verb to be, was, were, along with some, regular and irregular verbs in English. So, first of all, you're gonna go to ChatGPT or some similar artificial intelligence tool, and they are going to have the artificial intelligence correct those sentences, but somehow I think that some of the students are going to type directly the prompt, like, hey chat, write down 5 sentences using was and 5 other sentences using this and that, so on and so forth. So then afterwards, depending on whatever they decide, they are going to record their actual voices. So rather than having the artificial intelligence record what the text says, I want students to record their own voices so they can either use Buckaroo, Audacity, or any other electronic tool that they find useful. Once that the audio has been created, they're going to use an artificial intelligence tool. So for example, the video that you are going to see here being reproduced is going to, has been created with Pictory.ai. This one turns the text into images. So I noticed that there were some interesting facts. For example, the artificial intelligence has selected the actual statues of the Beatles, along with some other important characteristics. So the students are going to find this activity interesting. Well, at last but not least, students are to upload either the entire video on a YouTube platform or Google Drive, a Padlet, a similar tool. And once that they have already uploaded their video, they're going to be evaluated following these criteria. So first of all, we're going to be evaluating the use of past tenses, the voice clarity, the creativity, the script quality, along with the time submission. And finally, well, I want to make some comments with regards to this artificial intelligence tool. I was the kind of teacher who was a little bit afraid of using it, and so I started by being honest and saying, hey ChatGPT, this is the very first time I'm creating a lesson planner using artificial intelligence, and I want you to help me out create a lesson planner which is useful for students and at the same time useful for teachers, so that I know, they know, everybody knows that we are using ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, but I want them to develop their actual English skills. Having said that, and because it is a 5-minute time frame, well, I want to thank you, the Full Sail University team, along with my classmates. Thank you very much for your attention. Have an excellent weekend.